Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Miss Dcorate. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a project file from paper mache. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first we will take some waste paper from old notebooks or magazines. Tear them in small pieces and soak them in hot water. You can also keep it in sunlight for fast results. Now mash the soaked papers with your hands. You can also use blender, but I don't own a blender, so I'm going to make the paper pulp using my hands only. After mashing the paper, you will get a paper pulp like this. Then we will need cling paper or plastic sheets. Spread the plastic sheet on the floor. I am doing all this process in sunlight so that it dries quickly. Now squeeze the extra water out of the pulp using your hands and then spread it on the plastic sheet. Make sure it should not be too thin or it will start to tear apart. Keep repeating the process until you get the desired size. Then again cover it with plastic sheet. And roll it using any cylindrical object to even it out. Now remove the plastic sheet from the top and let it dry in the sunlight for 1 to 2 days. After it has dried completely, take a practical file and cut the paper mache according to it. Apply fevicol to make it water resistant from both the sides. You must be noticing this patch of a different color on this file. Actually, I accidentally poured some water while I was drawing it, so please don't mind it. Now make holes according to your practical sheet and make sure to make these holes on the back side of the file. So now our file is ready. So I'm here giving it just some final touches. You can leave it as it is also, or you can decorate it as I am doing it in the video. You can also make any other design. Here I have painted some flowers using acrylic colors. And then I have decorated it using golden glitter and gold foil. And now we will attach our practical sheets to our file. So for this you will need a jute rope or twine. Insert it through the hole we made at the back side of our file. And now attach the sheets one by one. Tie the twine or the thread and our file made from waste paper is ready. Please do let me know in the comment section if you like this idea of reusing old paper and making a file from paper mache. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet for more such videos. We'll meet in next video. Till then, take care and bye.